Okay, so let me show you how to use these 3D web display templates. Here I have one of them open inside Photoshop, and as you can see, the template comes pre-installed with all of the special effects like shading, shadows, reflections. It all looks very neat and formatted, so you don't have to do any graphic design at all. Okay, all it takes is just a few clicks, and you can add your own images into these templates. And you can add anything. It can be a photo, it can be an image, it can be a screenshot of your website. You can even design some layered designs with Photoshop, so you can put anything you want in there. And let me show you how easy this is. Okay, so let's go to the layers palette here, and inside the layers palette you will see all of the layers for these templates, and everything is neatly organized, and it comes with names, so it's easy to see what you're dealing with. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna double click on the smart layer here, and each smart layer is marked with an orange highlight. So each of these templates that you see here on the template, you can see them in the layers palette, and they're named center, left 1, left 2, left 3. So this is gonna be center, this is left 1, left 2, left 3, and this is right 1, right 2, right 3. So just choose the template here in the layers palette into which one you want to include your own image. So let's start with the center. So double click, press OK. This will open up the template in like a template area where you insert your image. So it's fairly large. You can take a screen grab of the web, of your own website, or if anything you want, or just copy and paste any image in here. And there's several ways of doing this. You can open up any image that you already have. So I took some screenshot examples here. Let's just open one. Okay, so you can open up any image that you have into Photoshop, copy it, and just paste it into the template. So just paste it right here. Go to Edit, Paste. Okay, and now you can simply resize the image to fit nicely into the template. Okay, so you can make it bigger. You can resize it to fit the template. So let me just do this quickly. Okay, so once you're happy with the size, just you can close this, and when it asks you to save, click Save. So this will save the smart object. Okay, we don't need this image anymore. This will save the smart object and will add it into the web display template for you. Okay, as you can see, it added this image into the template. And as you can see, it also added a reflection to it automatically. So you don't have to mess around with the reflection, you don't have to mess around with all the shading and shadows and all of that. The smart objects will do all of that for you automatically. Okay, and you can change this image as many times as you want. So let's just add another one here into the right template. Again, I'm gonna double click here. I'm gonna double click on the smart object. I'm gonna choose another image that I've saved here. Okay, so I'm gonna select this image, I'm gonna copy it. I'll close this picture, and I'm gonna paste it into the template. Okay, so I'm gonna just resize this quickly again. to make it fit the template nicely. Okay, so you can see that it fits nicely into this template area. And now I'm going to close this, hit save, and as you can see, the image got added on the side here. Let me just make this smaller so you can see the full template. Okay, so you can do that for each of these rectangles here on the side. So this is center, right 1, right 2, right 3, left 1, left 2, left 3. So just go on in the layers palette, open up the right template, double click on the smart object layer, which is marked by orange, and just paste your images in there, and your templates will get updated automatically. And then you can also resize this to whatever size you want for your website. So just go to image size, and resize it to something like 500 pixels width. Okay, this will make a nice graphic for your website. So that's pretty much it. There's several different templates that you can choose from. There's 11 different templates, and each one works the same way. So just open the template into Photoshop, double click on the smart object layers, and you get a very nice looking web display image. So that's pretty much it. I hope you like the product.